To switch between Google Assistant and Gemini on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to navigate to Google Services right here, and then you can click on All Services. Now navigate to Search Assistant and Voice. In case you have the same bug as I do in All Services won't work, then you will need to close all of the apps on your phone and try to access it again, and you will need to repeat it until Google Services properly open like this. Now scroll down, as I said, to Search Assistant and Voice, and from here select either Google Assistant or Gemini. For Google Assistant, you will need to click on it like that and then navigate to search to the digital assistant from Google option. That should be right here, and then you can pick Google Assistant. If you want to set up Gemini, simply click on it and you'll be instantly thrown into Gemini setup, so you can read through it if you like, and then click on Use Gemini to finalize it. That way it will be active. If you open Gemini and you just see those settings, that means it's already active. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.